Hi guys, and welcome to another Divi video. Well, we've got a very short one for you today. Somebody had a question on one of our videos. We set up a full width slider and they wanted to know how to make it animate automatically, and it's really easy. So let's enable my visual builder. Okay, once enabled, I'm going to go down. I'm simply going to trash what I've got here. I'm not going to use that. I'm going to create a new full width section, and in the full width section I'm going to put a full width slider. Now before we do anything to this, I'm just going to save it and get rid of that empty section at the top. Okay, so we've got a slider here, and by default it puts in 2 slides. I'm just going to go in and change the background of one of them, so when we start rolling you'll be able to see the difference. Just gone into the slide, I'm going down to background, just changing the color to blue, so we've got one blue and one green there. If you save that, it'll go back out into the main full width slider settings. Now to automate our slider here, which was the question, in the main slider settings box here, go over to design. We can go down to animation at the bottom, and the animation styles you got here are only for the page load. Those are only the styles that happen when the page loads at first. For automatic animation, you've got a switch just down below right there. I'm going to flip him to on, and as you can see, it started to do something already. Animation speed by default is 7 seconds, which is 7,000 milliseconds. Obviously you can slow it down or speed it up. Let's make mine 4 seconds just for expediency. And the only other setting we've got here to worry about is continue automatic slide on hover. Now that means if your mouse is over it, it'll just keep rolling round and round and round. I tend to leave mine off because that way people can hover over it, read your content, look at your images if you've got images, and then when they roll off of it, it can continue sliding. I find more people are likely to click the button that way. Okay, well let's just save our changes. Save the page changes and exit the visual builder. And there we have it. We've got a little automatic slider that changes slides every 4 seconds there. So I hope you've enjoyed that today and found it useful. If you have, please give it a thumbs up, ring the bell, comment, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Once again, this has been Jamie from System22 and webdesignandtechtips.com. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.